What's going on today, guys? Today's video is going to be a little bit different from the last one. It's mainly going to be my 360 camera and not a lot of talking. It's just from the track day that we had with all the influencers. Shout out to everybody that did come. It was an amazing time. I learned a lot I did not know. I did a lot more that I'd never done before, and it was honestly an experience that I recommend it for everybody. But without further ado, I just want to hop on here and say this is what the footage is. There's probably gonna be some music behind it, but I hope you guys enjoy it because I did. I'll tell you that much. that's basically it. That's all the footage that I had. I will say I did record a lot more, but it all came out like shit because it was all pointed at the sky. I didn't realize till like halfway through the track day that my GoPro wasn't on the 360 footage and it was just facing like up the whole time, up pretty sky. Anyway, that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know if you have any comments or tips in the comments below. I love talking to you guys. Said it last time. I hope you guys just tell me if you liked it. I mean, see if you like more footage like that, more of the actual 360 footage, because I could always put it on here and get some more footage like that for you guys. I wasn't turning there. Yeah, but definitely let me know what you guys think, and peace out.